Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the two identity operators, is and is not. We use the built-in function id to check the identity of an object. The identities of two objects are different if they have different memory locations. There are two identity operators which we can use to compare the memory locations of two objects, is and is not. Is evaluates to true if the two objects have the same identity, which means we have two references to the same object. Is not evaluates to true if the two objects have different identities, which means we have two distinct objects. And here's how it works. Well, we have two variables referring to the same number 5. A equals 5, B equals 5. Now, A is B. So we get true, which means A and B refer to the same object. Well, so if we try something like this, A is not B, we should get false. Fine. And now let's check it out. Let's check the identities of A and B. ID of A, ID of B. If you now compare these two numbers, you'll notice that they are the same. And now another example. Now let's try some strings. X equals hello. Y equals hi. Well, now X and Y refer to different objects. So if we try X is Y, we'll get false. And now have a look at this. Y equals X. So from now on, Y refers to the same object as X. So they have the same identity. If we try it out, X is Y, we'll get true. We can also use the identity operators to check whether an object is of a specific type. So, for example, type of true is bool. Yes. Or type of 7 is not float. It's also true. Type of hello is string, str, and this is also true. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.